Discord features a variety of text markup settings so users can customize the formatting of their messages in chat. To cross out text, you'll use the strike-through function. With a message composed, put 2 tildes at both ends of the message. The tilde can be found next to the 1 as the shift option on the backtick key. On mobile, the tilde can typically be found in the expanded punctuation and symbols menu, which varies depending on your phone's operating system. Using the same formatting method, you can make other adjustments to your text. For example, to make text bold, add 2 asterisks at both ends of the desired part of the message. To use italics, put a single asterisk or underscore around the text you want to change. To underline text, put 2 underscores rather than 1 at both ends of the message. A simpler way to make changes if you can't remember the shortcut is to use the context menu. Highlight the text you'd like to change, and then select from the options that appear. This menu also has a few extra useful formatting options, like presenting text as an indented quote or in code markdown.